There's a lot of dust.
Wife's freaking out. Everything's put out for me.
Oh look, it's coming down.
It's coming down. Why are there sirens everywhere? Why is my phone being gay?
Are they gonna run right into us? No, I mean him.
It's gone again.
It'll come back. Look at it. It's coming back.
Why are there so many sirens? People got hurt probably. And wait, there was one there's a bunch of sirens going towards Waverly right now. People probably got fucked up. That one, whoever's in Greenwood right now is getting fucked. This tornado's
That's a big one.
twice the size as the one you've seen on Tinker Hill. Hold on, I'm not gonna be able to hear you. I'm gonna take a couple pictures of this one. Come on.
Tornado. This is a beautiful tornado. White stovepipe. Bitch! Switch into dash.
Freezes. Dang.
That service.
Is there one coming behind it? Or no?
Yeah, a double.
Oh, dang, there's one in front of it. Why is this not focusing?
I want you to see this one.
Dude.
Here, try and answer. I'll try mine to do it the phone.
It will, it just can't focus because it's so close and it keeps unfocusing. Oh, it came up.
Where's that at? That one?
Yeah, it's Greenwood right now.
What?
That's the one we're looking at.
Anna, that's what we're looking at. Stick my head out the window to record and it blew off.
They're right next to it.
Holy shit.
They're on it.
Can this road, we'll have another east option up here in a little bit. I just didn't know that.
Super dumb, it's not staying down.
Have them run into us. Tell them to come up on this hill. It's going back up.
You're like, yo, we want to be on there.
After.
After done. It's a storm chaser, but the Nelk boys are with them. They're idiots. They do pranks and shit. It's going back down. There was one right above our